Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, I will be talking about a very important feature that is helpful if you are working with a drawing and then the space is quite cramped. So here you can see, there are so many dimensions in very small area. So sometimes it became really difficult to read the drawing. So let's make it more readable utilizing a feature known as break. So what I'm gonna do here first of all is I'm gonna create a break here on the dimension line, and this one also maybe I can pull it a little bit out. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this dimension and I will pull it like this, and then now we only have got the single dimension line. And let's say I would like to take this particular out like this, but because of this line I would like to pull out this particular dimension because the space here is quite cramped. So what I can do here is I can use break. So I'm going to click on break, and now I'm going to select this dimension line and I will choose the start point, and then we'll make a left click, then end point, again left click, and there we go. So here you can see we have dissected, or we have added a break to dimension line. By adding a break here, we can see it is erased from here to here such that this particular dimension can be seen with ease. If there is a line, there could be confusion or there could be problem in reading the value. So that's how guys we can utilize this break tool that basically help us in decluttering our drawings. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such video on engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.